Hello, and welcome to this Internet Basics tutorial. In this video, we will be covering a few basic tips that will be useful to you while on the Internet. We'll be going over how to enter URLs for certain websites, as well as a few basic keyboard shortcuts, including how to copy and paste text. Let's get started. There are trillions upon trillions of different websites and pages on the Internet, so it's important to know what exactly you're looking for and how you can reliably get there. That's where the URL system comes in. Every web browser has a bar towards the top of their pages where the current website address, or URL, is shown. As you can see here, the bar is empty, since we haven't navigated to a website yet. We can use the bar in one of two ways. Either we can use it to enter a specific URL, which would end in a three-letter address type such as .com, .org, or .gov, or we can use it for a Google search, which will bring us results that are relevant to whatever keyword we entered. For example, let's say I want to see the latest news from the Wall Street Journal. To access their website, I could enter their URL directly and type www.wallstreetjournal.com, but this method only works if you know a website's exact URL address ahead of time. If you're trying to access a given website for the first time, a Google search can help you navigate to the website with one extra step. To search for a website, type in the name of the organization that owns it. For example, simply type Wall Street Journal or an abbreviation such as WSJ. When you search with this method, your search engine will produce many relevant results, but the very first one that comes up is usually the site that you're looking for. Now, let's move on to keyboard shortcuts. Your computer is an extremely complicated machine that can perform countless unique functions. The keyboard shortcut system is designed to help you harness these capabilities in a more straightforward way. One of the most common shortcuts that's used is actually a set of two: copy and paste. When you want to enter large amounts of text into an email or document from somewhere else, copy and paste is an excellent alternative to retyping the entire thing. To do this, you first need to highlight the text that you want to copy. This can be done by holding down the left mouse button and dragging your mouse across the mass of text that you want to copy. You'll know that the text is highlighted when it becomes tinted with a light blue background. Once all of the desired text is highlighted, you'll want to press the Ctrl and C keys at the same time. If you're on a Mac instead of a Windows computer, it'll be Command-C instead of Control. After that, switch over to the area that you want to put the text in, such as your email draft, and press Ctrl or Command-V, depending on your computer. The text should instantly appear in that space. Other keyboard shortcuts operate in a similar way. To refresh a frozen page, for example, you can use Ctrl-R. If you want to open a new window in your browser, you can use Ctrl-N. And if you want to open a new tab within your current window, you can use Ctrl-T. Two other useful commands that are specifically for Mac computers is Command-Q, which closes the application that you're currently on, and Command-Space, which brings up your computer's file search. In this video, you learned how to reach websites within a web browser, both through Google searches and direct URL entry. And you also learned a few basic keyboard shortcuts to help you better harness the abilities of your computer. I hope this proves useful to you in the future, and good luck.